Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do a football pack opening, and now I've been waiting to do this for a long time, and now I finally get to do it. And this might be a short video, which it probably is, but you know, who cares? Because these were $20 and only two at Walmart, so I only bought one. So let's get right into this. Let's see what I can pull. Imagine if you pull a signature, I'll be happy. Imagine if you pull a jersey one too. Here we go, I'm so happy. Oh, sorry about that, my light. Here's my first pack. It's not that heavy. Alright, so my first card is Hunter Sharp, a wide receiver. Hunter Sharp. I'm sorry, it's backwards for you, maybe. Ooh, we got Jonathan Williams, a running back. This is a nice card art. We got Jordan Williams, a wide receiver. And Latavius Payne, a corner. So, I don't know what these cards are worth. I hope they're pretty good. I think these are all, I hope these aren't from, alright, this is the, oh, this was the hit football. Oh, they have different packs. Whoa, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 3 draft packs here. This is going to be a longer video than I thought. We got 5 cards per pack. We got 4 draft packs. And we got another hit football. So since I'm going to open up the hit football. Yeah? Myself. Alright, sorry about that. But, sorry about that. And my dad didn't know how to. Alright, so. Our first card is Nick Martin, a center. I'm sorry, this is bad quality. I'm so sorry. And we got Jalen Ramsey. Ooh, not bad, a corner. I know who he is, so I just can't focus that well. I'm sorry. We got Leonard Floyd, an outside linebacker. And we got Sebastian Tretola, an offensive guard. Now, oh, these are the toppers, I think. I'm gonna open up this one now. So, let's see what we get first. Ooh, I see something. So our first one is a Texas running back, Jamal Charles. Let's go. And we got a tight end, Rob Gronkowski. Let's go. It's Gronk. We get Bud Dupree, Steelers. Let's go. Bud Dupree. We get Chris Conley. Not bad. It's pretty good. We get Jordan, and our last card is Jordan Phillips. I never saw these cards before. So there we go. We opened all those. Now let's do a different draft pack. Alright, here we go. You guys get to see the first almost. Alright, so we get a defensive tackle, a Sean Robinson. I don't even know how much these cards are worth for. I'm sorry for the bad quality again. Nick Vanna, a tight end. Oops. We get Jordan Williams, a wide receiver. Alright, I know who he is. Camera gotta focus. Quality's so trash. I bet it'll be better in the bathroom. You know what? I'm just gonna go to the bathroom quick. Well, you're gonna see me walk there. I'm gonna grab all my cards too. So, oops, I dropped one. Yeah, maybe we'll just try it. We already wasted our time. Okay, here we go. Next, we're gonna get all these cards off. Or next, we're gonna do another draft football pack. So we get Jordan Williams, a running back. We get an All-American, Cardell Jones. Awesome. Almost done with this pack opening. We get Jordan Curtis, or Jaron Curtis, a safety. We get Jonathan Bullard, a defensive lineman. We get Robert Nikomich, defensive tackle. Alright, we got so many cards so far. We still have these two and this one, so these are exclusive tops, so I'm not gonna open these until the end. And I have 12 cards per pack. Pocket's gonna be full of these when I bring these to school. Oh god, I almost took a freaking piece of plastic. Our first card is Sterling Shepard. And these cards aren't, these cards are from, the years when they were gonna get drafted. So, for some of you are knowing, these are people in the NFL. I know. Alright, we get Kevin Hogan, a quarterback. I know you can't see it that well. We get Aaron Burridge, a wide receiver. We get Kevin Reynolds, mom's dad's last name. Finally, we get All-American Corey Coleman. I want to get a signature during this. Alright, so we have 30 cards left. Let's do this. We get Green Bay Clay Matthews. There. Jordy Nelson. We got a linebacker and a wide receiver here for some of you who don't know. We get Kansas City Chiefs, the whole team. We got Carlos Dunlap, Bengals. We got Josh Gordon, Browns. I'm sorry about this. Wait. I'm in the bathroom! Robert Griffin the third. Sorry. Jamal Charles. Got right there. Nice card. We're not getting a signature though. We get Chicago Bears, NFC North. We got Mike Glennon. Yes! What? Yes! It's in my room! Keenan Allen. Charger. Sorry about this. Yes, let's go Steelers. Marcus Wheaton. Wide receiver. Brian Hartling. He looks like a wide receiver. I don't know a lot of these. I'm only a Steelers fan, and I'm popular ones. our final pack. We get Vontez Perfect, one that knocked out Antonio Brown. I'm mad about that, but he's really good. Brandon Whedon, the Browns. We got AJ Green. Ooh, I saw some goodness. Let's go. I got Andrew Hawkins. Ooh. What is this? I got two of these, or maybe a 4,000 yard club. Matthew Stafford, Q. I got Alfred Morris of 1,000 yard club too. We got the San Diego Chargers. I don't know why we get these. Got three of these so far in this pack opening. We got Eddie Lacy. We got Travis Kelce. It's random one. I don't think we're gonna get any signatures. We get Boldy Westerson. And then we get Dwayne Bowie. And we get Reggie Bush. Oh, that was a pretty good pack opening. It wasn't amazing, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm sorry for like people yelling around the house and stuff. It is a bad time to record this, but I can't go back once I open the pack. Look at it. I can't go back once I open the pack. Alright, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I might do another one. This video almost smashed 20 likes. 20 likes. And I'll do another one. But I'll see you guys next. Well, I'll do 4 pack opening if we get 20 likes. But I will see you guys next video. Peace, homies.